Yo, what's going on? Welcome to Phuket Walk. This is your Phuket Walker, Alex, and happy Thailand New Year's! Happy Songkran Festival, Sawadee Be My Cup. And we have a special guest, of course, with us today to celebrate the Thailand New Year's. We have Rome with Sign.
Hello สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to Phuket Walk and today is Songkran Day and
Yeah,
we're going to the cafe.
definitely. And that's the plans for today. We're gonna do a little bit of a coffee hunt because we got a coffee machine, had a few cups, but it's just not doing it. We need some real caffeine and real good coffee. So let's get going and get this new year started.
Let's go.
As you can tell by the last sentence there, I definitely need some coffee before I can be my usual self. Good coffee, that is. Let's go, and we're on our way. Let's take a glimpse of the temple that me and Simon was just at. Just to get some New Year blessings. Of course, wishing everybody some good health. And good luck as well. It's a very hot day today. The festival definitely serves as a very good way to cool down, of course. Sawadee Be My Cup.
สวัสดีปีใหม่ไทยค่ะ
Happy Songkran Festival, and we're currently at Sparkling Cafe and Restaurant, and this will be our New Year's coffee. And I cannot wait any further. I absolutely need my New Year's coffee now, so let's check it out. This looks like a really nice place. And we've never been here before, so definitely a review for us. Looks pretty awesome to me. Ready, Sign?
Yes.
Alright, then let's roam a sign and you lead the way. Nice. Alright, go ahead. Yeah. Let's check out the cafe first, of course. And once again, we're at the Sparkling Caf and Restaurant in the Thailand district area. And yes, this is our New Year's coffee for our Thai New Year celebration. And why not celebrate with a cup of coffee at a beautiful cafe? Let's see, what are we looking at here?
I got us a drink.
All right. I'm getting the coconut coffee, right?
Yes.
All right. And for those of you looking for a meal or a nice quick bite, they definitely have some full course meals here. Spaghetti I see, rice and noodles, and of course Thai dishes are available. And for me and Sign, at least for now,
Vegetarian?
we're probably more interested in our dose of caffeine than a cup of coffee. Nice. Perhaps cake would be a good idea. Double chocolate cake, kettle brownie, flourless apple crumble cake. Ooh, gluten-free as well. I like the decor here. What do you want to sit? Yeah?
Big sofa.
Right by the flamingos.
Yes, I like this.
Sparkling cat. You're a special guest, definitely. And of course, remember to go to Rome with Sign. That's ROAMWITHSINE. And I would have that on the description for everybody. No worries. And of course, go there, subscribe, like, and enjoy the content, of course.
Grateful for each day with you, my guide. It's just us.
Grab your singing bowls today.
I remember this one. Do you remember this
I've had older ones, let me tell you.
one? Oh, this is the famous one. Nokia.
It's an interesting collection there. Nokias. Yeah.
The forever lasting.
We once believed they were indestructible, actually. Cool. Alright. Khokka. And here's the star of the show. And that's looking delicious. And refreshing, of course. Alright, I'm prepared and ready to go. Now we're just waiting outside. As you guys can feel for yourself, it's definitely lovely vibes here. Very chill. Okay, let's check it out. Okay. Perfect. Here we go. And that would be the coconut in there, of course. And what did you get?
Green tea.
It's not hot. You get the matcha. Alright, cheers. A moment of truth. But something tells me it's gonna be alright. Wow. Coconut coffee, everyone. Amazing. I would say that's a great cup of coffee. See? Sparkling Café and restaurant, guys. 5 out of 5 on coffee, definitely. Yeah, come here and check it out yourself. Spark. Ooh, that's a bit sweet. Sweet. I enjoy the coffee. Yeah, for those who love sweets, of course. There's something for you. Oh, this coconut coffee, oh, something else. Next level coffee. Oh yeah. smooth. And I usually get like slight heartburn, but I just feel that, you know, the coconut kind of soothes it. It's really nice. It goes down really easy. Very refreshing. I was just telling everybody that we used to go to the water and fight for like the past 5 years or so. We're taking a break, a really long break, and we're just gonna continue it this year. You know, take it easy. Instead, we're gonna have a New Year's coffee celebration. Exactly.
Yeah.
See, there's water in there, and of course, you guys saw some splashing and all that fun stuff on the ride here. So we definitely amped part of the fun and. Yeah, definitely the car needed a wash. A long overdue wash, and why not wash the bads away on Thailand New Year? Sure. And thank you, Simon, for the amazing selection. Yeah. And she did the research, and we looked at, of course, many cafes, and finally decided that, you know what, we'll check this one out because it just looked really interesting. And as you guys can see, the coffee is absolutely delicious, and the pricing is very great for its quality, of course. In the Thailand area, sparkling cafe and restaurant. And yes, they do have food and full meals here for those of you interested. But for us, it's all about the coffee. Delicious and recharge. Let's go. Yeah. Alright, Rome sign, lead the way. That was wonderful. Definitely a great way to start the New Year's. And thank you very much, Sparkling Cafe. สวัสดีครับขอบคุณครับ
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. Yo, So where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't ever say never. And turn your mind into the truest of go-getters. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.